So Instagram has finally pushed out dark mode officially to your iOS device. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to activate it. It's real simple and real easy. All you got to do is activate dark mode and you have dark mode on Instagram now. Now on a serious note, you need to be updated to iOS 13 to get this feature, and you have to be on the latest version of Instagram to do so. Now if you have automatic updates, it should update automatically, but if you don't, you could just search Instagram like this, and then you could just tap on update there. Now once you have iOS 13 installed in the latest version of Instagram, all you have to do is activate dark mode. Now you have to 3D press or long press on the brightness, and you just activate dark mode just like that. And you guys can see on the background it changes nice and smoothly. Now there's a faster way to activate it. If you go into your settings and then you go into your control center and then you go into customize control, you have a toggle that says dark mode. So now you have an actual toggle. So instead of going to the brightness slider, you just have a toggle just like that. So it's faster to activate, and yeah, now you have dark mode on Instagram. So it's real simple, real easy, and I highly recommend it. So I like to have my dark modes automatic. So if it's dark outside, it activate dark mode. If it's light outside, it'll be light. So yeah, and I gotta say the colors look good. It pops, it stands out, and it just looks stunning. You know, there's no smart invert, so the colors don't look darker. It just looks great. Especially if you have an iPhone 10 or OLED capable iPhone, you have rich blacks, and it just looks so beautiful. Finally, Instagram added dark mode on iOS. Now we just simply waiting for the iPad version of Instagram, and I'll be super duper happy. Now, yes, it's gonna work on your iPad, but I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. Instagram has yet to give us an iPad app, which is kind of disappointing. Hashtag Instagram app on the iPad officially. That would be nice. And I'm on iPad OS 13.1, and then I'm gonna launch up Instagram. And look at this. This is terrible. This is an iPhone app. And then all you gotta do, you activate dark mode. And now you have dark mode right here on the Instagram app on your iPad. Yeah, so this is terrible. I mean, it looks good on an iPad. You know, at least now the black borders, it kind of just flush in. It looks nice now. I would still prefer to have a native Instagram app on the iPad. And of course, if I disable it, it's just like that white kind of just doesn't look good with the black bezel or the black borders here. So yeah, there you guys have it. That is dark mode on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did find this video helpful, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on. And other than that, it's your boy Pops, and I'm out. Peace.